In this video, I'll show you how you can fix could not find recovery environment on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Now, for this to work, what we want to do is the first step is come down here and search for CMD, right click on command prompt and run as an administrator. Now I have it open right here, and what you want to type in here is REAGENTC /enable. Press enter and it should say operation successful. After that, try and see if it works now. If it still doesn't work, the second thing we can try is we can use a USB drive. So if you have a USB drive, what you want to do is come down here and search create recovery drive. Open up that one and simply follow the steps and you will be able to do it. Now these are the two ways that you could fix the problem. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.